Whoa, 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 whoa. Who knows what kind of car that was? One more, Bales. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike, if we can't tell. We got some nice weather out here today. We also barely have any snow. And let's just say today was supposed to be tune day on this beautiful, beautiful girl. And sadly, guys, even though this weather looks pretty nice and the snow is gone, we're getting a big snowstorm Sunday and Monday, and sadly, the guy that I'm getting tuned through, he does plowing, so he sadly could not take my bike in this weekend to be able to get it tuned because he's pretty much going to be plowing all week, so we're going to get pushed back a week for this tune, but it's okay. It's all understandable. Things happen. You know, it's not the end of the world. Plus, you know, I'm out here with Bailey, and we still have to change the gas on this bike, so it is what it is. I mean, I have everything to be able to do this gas change real quick to get that out, but not too concerned. I'll just wait until I know he's 100% ready, and then we'll drain that fuel and we'll put in some nice fuel. By the way, guys, look at the new Alpine Star hat I got. Yeah, you know, we got to represent the brands that we love. But so pretty much, since we're pretty much just waiting for a tune on this bike, I figured, you know what, let's get some carbon goodies installed on here. So we're gonna get rid of this rear tire hugger, we're gonna get rid of this chain guide, and we are gonna get rid of our heel plates. So I guess it's not gonna be too crazy of a video. I'll probably get these parts installed, and then I'll pull the bike outside into the sunlight and hopefully get a little bit of a better clips of the carbon on the bike, but probably won't be too long of a video. Probably not gonna be too fun of a video because obviously, guys, I was planning to have a tune video for you guys today, which also, by the way, talked to the tuner and we're locked in. Tuner said that he has no problem with me coming in there and getting some content with the bike on the dyno. So very exciting news. We're gonna definitely get some dyno content on this gorgeous 2024 Honda CBR600RR, baby. And I'm very excited to get that content on the internet. And yeah, so enough of me talking. We're gonna just get some carbon installed on this girl and just enjoy the time lapse, guys. Just enjoy it. All right, guys, so this should be a pretty simple thing to do. There is literally, I think this has 3 Allen keys. So we got one here, we got one right there, and then we're gonna have one on the other side. And then it's gonna be the same thing with the chain guide. We just got 3 bolts. So 1, 2, and 3. I don't think that is for the chain guide. No, that's not. So 3 bolts to take that off, and then 2 bolts on this side for the heel guard, and another 2 bolts on the other side for the heel guard. So pretty simple. We're dealing with 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're dealing with 10 bolts, swip and swap, and we're gonna get some nice, beautiful carbon fibre installed on this nice, beautiful bike. So let me set up the camera for you guys, and let's just get it going.
Yeah. Think I need a vacay. Yeah, I'm thinking that I need a vacay. Really trying to take you to that place, babe. I'm talking island things with the sand touching the water. Been feeling you since the first time I saw you. Yeah, I am a gentleman. Like, sir, can I take your daughter out, you gentleman? I might not open car doors, but we holding hands. And I'ma take care of you, baby, to the very end.
Alright, guys, moment of truth to see if it is a direct replacement. So we took that out, and there was this in that middle hole, which I have a feeling with my luck I will have to end up drilling that out. But yep, it looks like we're gonna need just a hair of custom modification here, boys. So let's go get a drill bit and let's start the carbon fun. Pretty much just gonna hold it and freehand this baby. So let's just go from the backside, like I said.
Oh yeah, so now we on vacation. She decided 2 margaritas, I'm wasted. Yeah, the sun is going down. You look me in my eyes and baby, yeah, it's going down. You light up night sky, and all I see is stars now. And I wonder why, baby, it smiles so amazing. Style so amazing, body so
Okay. There we go, boys. Look at that. Boom out, boom in. Alright guys, I just thought, right as I put the thread locker on, I should see if this bolt, because you can see that it's a little flared out there towards the top. I should probably make sure that it fits through this whole flush first, which, of course, it does not. Of course it does not. So we're going to be drilling some more, boys. So I guess let's just drill out all 3 of these holes real quick.
amazing. Really hope that nothing here changes. Yeah. I think it's time we close them doors. I know I got a pass, she got a pass too, but I'm falling in love with what I'm about to do. Yeah, I'm thinking that I need a vacay. Really trying to take you to that place.
Okay. So now I can grab that middle bolt with our thread locker on it, and we are just gonna plop her right on in. She's gonna just kind of keep us right in place. I'm not gonna go fully tight with that yet. So now I'm gonna grab my left side bolt. Same thing. Just gonna throw some thread locker on it. Bingo bango. These all are gonna fit now, so that's good. And let's just go on to the other side. And our last one is right in there, which I don't know if you guys can see it. It is right here though, so same thing. Bolt, a little bit of thread locker. We don't want to lose no carbon here, guys. Okay. And just gonna drop her on in. All right, guys. Well. Old rear tire hugger is out and new one is in. Oh baby, the carbon is looking great. So I was thinking I'm actually not gonna install my carbon rear chain guide because I'm actually gonna end up getting this one clear broad, and I'm gonna end up getting this clear broad as well. But these I'm not gonna be getting clear broad. That's gonna be way too difficult of a job. Not really, but I don't really care too much about these, so we're gonna pull these ones off and replace them with the new ones, guys. So let's just keep on going. Let's just keep on going. All right, guys, so I'm sure I showed you these, but we're gonna be finally installing them now. So I'm assuming we're gonna have to drill these out again, but old, new. Yeah, baby. So let's just get this one off and let's see if we're gonna have to drill these holes out as well.
I'm talking island things with the sand touching the water. Living you since the first time I saw you. Yeah, I am a gentleman. Like, sir, can I take your daughter out, you gentleman?
So this one, these bolts actually don't have a head to them, so as long as it fits through, which it does not. So I knew that we were gonna have to end up drilling these out. Actually, you know what? I could just thread it through, guys. So we actually are good. We are good. So let's get this baby installed.
I might not open car doors, but we holding hands, and I'ma take care of you, baby, to the very end. Oh yeah, yeah. Think I need a vacay. Think I need a vacay. Yeah. Think I need a vacay. Let's take a trip. Think I really need a vacay. Let's take a trip.
Ew. Out with the old, in with the new. Look at that, baby. You got that carbon. You got that carbon. And hopefully in next video, this will be changed out carbon. But yes, sir, baby. All right, let's move on to the right side. Alright guys, and like I said before, out with the old, in with the new. Look at that carbon and then the carbon. I'm gonna definitely have to add more carbon to this side, because obviously the right side we just have our heel plate carbon and then we got the rear hugger carbon, but we don't have our chain guide installed yet. But when you come to this side, you're gonna have the rear hugger, you're gonna have your heel plate, and then you're also gonna have the chain guide. That's all carbon. So between that, and that, you're gonna have a lot of carbon sitting on each other here. So I'm gonna have to try and figure out maybe something I can do on this side to incorporate more carbon. Maybe I'll see if they have a carbon engine cover, and maybe we will close this up with some carbon. I'm not sure yet, guys. I'm not really sure yet, guys. We're gonna have to definitely look into that. But man, let me just say, I am so excited with this carbon. It looks so freaking good. So freaking good. And then this I hate now is because it's dry, and that's dry, and we don't want it dry. We want it wet, baby. We want it wet. But like I said, guys, we're not going to install the chain guide today because that I definitely want to get wrapped, or not wrapped. I want to get that clear broad, because between, you know, I don't know if you guys can actually see the scuffs up here, but she definitely gets scuffed up from me throwing my leg over the bike and stuff. The heel plates I don't really care too much about, because these weren't too expensive. If I got to replace these every season, so be it. But this chain guide was pretty expensive, and like I said, guys, you can see some rash to her here, so we want to just eliminate that. And then of course I will probably end up just ripping the rear tire hugger off and just getting that clear broad as well, just to keep it safe. But like I said, we did have a video planned for today, or well, for next week's video, this week's video, we plan to have the bike dyno tuned. So that's kind of what we were planning on for content wise for you guys. But like I said, even though it looks like there's no snow coming, tomorrow and Monday we're getting a big snowstorm. So sadly, tuner, you know, he does some plowing, so understandable. Dude's got to make money. So you know, he asked if I wouldn't mind waiting until next week, maybe the end of next weekend, just so he can you know, because he'll probably be plowing until midweek, and then you know, he's gonna have to make some space in the shop and transition over from plowing to back into tuning these beautiful bikes. So like I said earlier in the video, I'm sorry this is probably a little bit of a boring video, but I hope you guys did enjoy it, because man, carbon fiber just makes a Michael-san happy, guys. It just makes a Michael-san so freaking happy. So again, I am sorry about that, guys, but on the bright side, next week's video should be this girl getting dyno tuned, which, like I just said in the clip, a couple clips before, we already spoke to the tuner. Tuner said A-okay, he's cool with it. I told him I don't want anything from it. I'm not looking for money off on the tune. I just want to I want to shout out somebody that does great work, because I know multiple people that have gotten tuned through him, so I know he does phenomenal work. I just want to I want to share what he can do with the internet, and hey, if I can bring the guy more business, so be it. But I'm just looking for a genuine connection and somebody that I can potentially have tune my bikes for the rest of my life. So just trying to build relationships with local companies owned by, you know, small people that just, you know, do what they love for a living and somehow, you know, made it a living for themselves. So like I said, we just want to support companies when we can. And, you know, if I have the opportunity to shout out a company because they're going to tune my bike for me and they're allowing me to go in there and get video for you guys, which is all I care about. I don't care about the money. I care about the content that I can put on the internet for y'all. So we're trying to break the internet with this bike. Might only be a CBR600RR, but guess what? She's mine. She's unique. She's got some twists on her, like her nice exhaust and now all of her new carbon bits. And don't even get me into all the new parts that we installed on this chick over the winter that we had here. And these new headlights I just can't get over, guys. But enough of me mambling and jambling. I'm sure it's going to be a short video. I'm going to time-lapse most of it, throw some of my homies' music, which, by the way, guys, definitely go check out my boy Ray Fix. He's getting back into the grind of dropping some new tunes, so definitely go subscribe. He's on all platforms, so definitely go check my boy Ray Fix out. Go into the description of my video, and I'll have him tagged, and you can go right over to his channel, and you can click on all of his links if you would like. But with that being said, Bailey's ready for a snowstorm. She's tired of not having any more snow, and I'm tired of the snow. I want to get back on this baby. But that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and just remember, stay tuned to next week because somebody's gonna be on the dyno. Somebody's gonna be on a dyno. Alright guys, I love every single one of you guys, and we're gonna have to end this the same way. So I love every single one of you guys, and I'll catch you weenies on the grill. Peace.